This looks like a normal smartphone screen, but turn it slightly and it disappears. Samsung's new S26 Ultra feature changes phone privacy forever. Samsung just officially teased a feature that took them 5 years to develop for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and honestly, it's one of the most practical innovations I've seen in a flagship phone in years. Let's talk about it. Alright, so here's what's happening. Samsung just released a press release teasing a new feature called Privacy Display, and while they haven't officially named the S26 Ultra yet, all the leaks point to this being the flagship feature. Now, at first glance, you might think, okay, so it's like those privacy screen protectors. But here's where it gets interesting. This is built directly into the hardware, and according to prominent leaker s26, who's been pretty much spot on with Samsung leaks, this isn't a software trick. Here's how it works. Traditional displays, like the one on the S25 Ultra, emit light uniformly in all directions. That's why you get about 180 degrees of viewing angles. Samsung's new privacy display uses directional light emission. It literally sends light beams only toward the person directly in front of the screen. So if someone's looking from the side, they see nothing, just a black screen. It's the same technology you'd find on enterprise privacy monitors or ATM machines, but Samsung's bringing it to your smartphone. Samsung showcases 3 specific scenarios where this makes sense. 1. Unlocking your phone in a crowded elevator. 2. Reading a personal message on a bus. 3. Entering a password on the subway. Basically, anywhere you're in public and don't want shoulder surfers catching your sensitive information. But here's the really clever part. According to s26, the privacy display can be configured to shield only specific areas of the screen. So, imagine this. You get a notification with a password or access code. Just that pop-up goes into privacy mode, while the rest of your display stays visible at normal viewing angles, when you don't need the privacy. Oh, and there's one more display upgrade that's flying under the radar. s26 confirmed with full confidence that the S26 Ultra's new M14 panel supports true 10-bit color. For context, most phones have 8-bit displays that can show about 16.7 million colors. A 10-bit display, 1.07 billion colors. That means way smoother gradients, more natural color transitions, and overall just a more premium viewing experience. Some 8-bit displays use frame rate control to fake better colors, but this is the real deal. Now, I gotta keep it real with you. Directional light emission isn't perfect. s26 mentioned there could be trade-offs like inconsistency in brightness and color accuracy. So the big question is, how well has Samsung managed these issues after 5 years of development? We'll have to wait and see it unpacked. Quick bonus while we're here. The Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro just got leaked, and we've got pricing. According to Bill Kuhn, who has a solid track record with price leaks, Samsung's keeping prices the same as the Buds 3 generation. In Europe, that's €179 for the Buds 4 and €249 for the Buds 4 Pro. Oh, and these are expected to drop on February 25th, the same day as the S26 series. So yeah, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's privacy display is legitimately one of those features that sounds gimmicky on paper, but could actually be super practical in real-world use. 5 years of development for a feature that protects your privacy without needing a janky screen protector? I'm here for it. The real test will be how well Samsung balanced the privacy functionality with display quality. But if they nailed it, this could become a must-have feature on future flagships. What do you think? Would you actually use privacy display, or is it solving a problem you don't have? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech coverage, and I'll catch you in the next one.